Hello, it's Sal Soriano with Keller Williams Realty. I hope you're doing well. Well, it's hard to believe it's already November, and yes, Thanksgiving is next week. My goodness, time sure does fly. Christmas, well, it's just around the corner as well. So what I want to do is, like we've done in the past, we're going to give you a quick update on the real estate market today in terms of what we've seen for the past month. And what we'll do is we'll begin like we have in the past. We're going to talk about interest rates. First of all, interest rates have seen a slight uptick, nothing significant, but as you look at the chart here, we've seen a bump in the 30-year fixed to about 2.84%, and that's the average 30-year fixed rate. The 5-1 ARM is at 3.11 and the 15-year at 2.34. All three of those saw a slight uptick this past week, primarily driven by the rally in the stock market, which was fueled by the positive news around vaccines and the coronavirus. I think the slight uptick is probably temporary as interest rates kind of will settle back into this area. Again, still very, very attractive. The real estate market has remained strong through the month of October. In fact, in many respects, we're still seeing July prices all the way here into the fourth quarter. So let's start by taking a look at some of the stats for the month of October in terms of what we're seeing compared to the month of October for last year. So let's take a look right here. And as we can see, let's begin by looking at the median home price. The median home price across the Dallas-Fort Worth area is up to $305,000, which is up 13% from last year. As we can see, the number of closed sales is up 23%. Now that's a pretty big number. And a lot of that is driven by the fact that there's just been so much demand with the low interest rates we were talking about, a lot of the relocations coming into the area, and a lot of folks saying, we've got to do something now. So the other thing we want to look at here is active listings. Active listings are actually down almost 40%, and that's pretty significant. What that means is we've got a lot of folks sitting on the sideline this year and not selling because they have concerns over their job or the pandemic or things like that, and have decided to kind of wait it out till next year. But that's really been kind of the driver in terms of what's been pushing up our sales prices. It's just not enough homes available to meet the buyer demand. We can also see that here on days on market. Days on market have gone down, as well as months of inventory, and wow, down to 1.7, which is one of the lowest I've seen in a very long time. We're going to run out of homes to sell here pretty quick if things don't change, but I think they will loosen up in the months ahead. The other interesting statistic I saw was that the average home price in terms of sales price to list price is now at 100% for the counties of Denton and Tarrant counties. And actually Dallas County and Collin County are right at 99.5 or 6%, so not far off. But what that's telling us is there's a lot of homes selling above list price. And again, back to the supply and the demand issue that we've continued to see. Now, obviously, all homes aren't the same and all markets are a little bit different. And if you'd like some information about kind of what's going on in your specific neighborhood or your specific community, well, by all means, just let me know. Just give me a shout. I'd love to help you out with that. You know, in closing, I do want to take just a minute to wish all of you a very good and a very happy Thanksgiving week next week. I'm very grateful, obviously, for have the opportunity to be of service to you, and would look forward to the opportunity to continue to assist you in the future. But please take some time next week, enjoy your family, get a little bit of rest, and have a great Thanksgiving. I'm Sal Soriano, and I'm your Keller Williams Realtor. Have a great day.